Welcome back everybody to another video, and as you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail, this is going to be on what my plans are for my B9.5 S4 and what I'm thinking about doing to the car mods wise. As you guys know, up until this point my car is pretty much stock. As you can see, like I mentioned in the last video, we have the winter wheels on, so these wheels do look incredible on the car because of all the black accents. So I really like how the winter setup is. But let's go over kind of what my plans are for the car and what I plan to do to it in the very near future. All right guys, so up until this point I haven't really done much to the car, just due to the timing that I got it, and obviously it's winter now, but there will be a ton of mods coming soon and I'm going to mention them in this video. But just to start off, as you guys know, I have done pretty much only one mod to the car other than the winter wheels and the rims I bought. It would be these carbon fiber paddle shifters. And honestly, these paddle shifter extensions add so much to the car because, as you guys know, stock from factory, they only have these little tiny paddle shifters, which don't really do much for the car. And now it looks 10 times better. But let's get into the future mods. So let's start off with the front end of the car. As you guys know, very stock, and I'm planning on doing something to the headlights, or just the DRLs to be specific. And I don't know if you guys can guess. I'm not going to give it away because that mod will be coming very soon. So you guys will see the video on that. Also, when it gets a little bit warmer into the springtime, I will be planning on doing a front lip for this car because I feel like it really needs that. Just a little bit more of an aggressive stance in the front. Also, another quick fun fact that I figured out just by being in the Reddit forums is my car, this, obviously you guys know my color is called Ascari Blue, and if you're in the US, they actually don't, from what I've heard, they don't offer this color on, you know, S4s and any other car but the RS5. Apparently only the RS5 can get the Ascari Blue metallic color. I don't know if that's true, but let me know in the comments down below. But if that's the case, this is a rare color, not for Canada, but in the US. So let's get back into it. When you come around to the side here, this car desperately needs some lowering springs. As you can see, the wheel gap right now is pretty absurd, but it's not horrible. It's not the worst I've seen on cars from factory. From the back, you can see that just because I'm on a slant, the wheel gap looks a lot better. And honestly, that's kind of what I'd be going for, something similar to that. But yeah, it definitely needs some sort of either a lowering spring, an adjustable lowering spring, or a coilover. I'm not sure yet. You guys let me know in the comments down below on what I should get between those two, because I'm still doing my research, but let me know. Also, maybe a side skirt, even though this car has kind of a side skirt already, but I'll see maybe something more aggressive. I am happy with that although, so if I have to stay with that, that would be fine. Also, coming around to the back, again, this car doesn't really need much. What I do want to do is a little bit of a bigger wing, because you can see from factory, this wing really doesn't offer you much. It's a little lip spoiler, but I am looking for something a little bit bigger, but not too big where it just looks a little cheesy. So I will be, you know, looking into a bigger wing, or like a duckbill or something like that. Also, maybe a carbon fiber diffuser. I have seen some very nice diffusers online that would replace this plastic one that they have from factory, even though it looks all right, but I might be looking into that. Also, just listen to this idle. It is in comfort mode. This idle sounds insane. Let me flip it into dynamic quickly so you guys can listen to that idle one more time. And I think I've told you guys know from before, this has the sports exhaust. So you can hear the valves really open up, and that nice V6 turbo sounds amazing. And just the tone of this car is what led me to buying the S4 over the S3, just because of the engine. And first of all, the look. Like, look at from the back how nice this car looks, especially with those lights on at night. So also for the summer setup, I have my stock Audi rims that look incredible, I think. I really like the look of them, in my opinion. And I would like to just space those out a little bit and get a spacer on them so they stick out almost nice and flush with the fender, or go for just a wider wheel, like an aftermarket wheel. But I would really like to keep those stock ones on, just space them out. So let me know what you guys think about spacers, but that is an option as well, because that would look extremely nice on this car, just leaving those stock wheels. But to kind of wrap it up, from my prior, builds, and kind of in my opinion of how I like to, build or mod a car, very simple. I like to keep it simple, but also, do the mods that really, the small mods that really make a big difference, I guess is the best way to put that. Just like the lowering springs or coilovers, and then also little appearance mods here and there, like the duckbill, and then, maybe a front lip would really do wonders for the car. But I plan to keep it pretty simple, and let me know in the comments below what you guys would do if you had a B9.5 S4, and what you think of the mods I'm planning on doing. But yeah, drop a like if you guys enjoyed the video. Also comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.